Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. And guys, please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, we're gonna make some Escovitch sauce. Yeah? Or veggie, however you wanna call it, okay? So we're gonna saute it and then we're gonna add some vinegar and all of that. So let's get into this video. We have bell peppers, red, green, and gold, Rasta color. Yeah, we have one Scotch bonnet pepper, one onion, carrot. I'm gonna use about half of this. You want some pimento gonna preserve it, and also you want some vinegar. These two gonna preserve it. You're gonna also add some salt. I wash these already. I always wash my vegetable before I put them in the fridge. Okay, so let's get cutting. I'm not a big chef, okay guys, so watch your fingers. Oh, and you need some sugar. You don't have to. Sugar is optional, okay? I'm gonna use half of each. Alright, so we're gonna take this part out. And you wanna cut them basically in thin strips. Okay? The onions, guys, just cut it down as is. Take your time and cut it down. I'm just gonna try to cut it again like this. Watch your fingers, okay? Alright, you're just gonna cut it in thin strips, okay? When you cut it like that and you find out it's too thick like this, you go ahead again and you cut them like that. So you want some thin strips like that. I have some Scotch bonnet pepper. If you like it spicy, go ahead and put a lot of pepper. If you don't like it spicy, don't put too much pepper. Pepper strong. And that's what I'm gonna put, no more, guys. I like to saute it a little bit to get the flavor out, so I'm gonna add like just about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I put in my carrots, everything. Just put everything in one time, okay guys? I'm not gonna put the Scotch bonnet pepper in yet because it'll burn out your eyeballs, so leave that off. Don't put that in as yet. I'm gonna put some pimento grain. Just put to your liking. 1 teaspoon salt. And just kind of stir this in a little bit. Just give it about a minute and a half and turn off the stove, okay? Look at the goodness. Oh boy. Look at the colors. Ja, Rastafari. Yeah. Alright guys, the stove is off, okay? Now I'm just using some regular white vinegar. You can use the one with mothers, whichever you have, alright? I'm gonna go in with half cup. If you like a lot of vinegar in yours, go ahead and put like 1 cup, but guys, I don't like too much vinegar in my thing. That's enough. Add some water. You want equal part, okay? You can add about a cup of water, but no, I don't want too much water in it either. and I don't want too much vinegar in it either. Put my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna add my tablespoon of sugar. All right, and that's it. Just leave this to cool down a little bit, and guys, it's ready. As I said, if you love vinegar, add more, but I don't want too much water and too much vinegar in my tea. So this is it, guys. This is your Escovitch veggie or sauce. Water is hot, so go ahead and cover it up. No stove on, everything is good. Let it sit there for another 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool down, and then we're gonna bottle it up. All of the steam I gonna go up in the veggie, and it's gonna marinate, and it's gonna full of flavor. I'm just gonna put some in this small jar. I also have a big one, whichever jar of your choice, okay? And you're just gonna jar it up. Put them in there, guys. We're not waste nothing. And after you think you put enough, squeeze them down in it like that, and then you're gonna get some of the sauce and just pour it on it. All right, my peeps, and this is it. This is my Escovitch sauce, saute veggie. You can use it in a lot of recipe, guys. You can use it on some fried fish, which I'm gonna do right now. Some red herring, some salt mackerel, some salt fish. You can eat it however you like. Really spicy and delicious. Mouth-watering. All right, my peeps. So after this, now after you let it cool, you just want to store it in the refrigerator. You can store it for as long as ever. My girlfriend gave me some from last year, and I still have it. It can be up to over a year, guys. Trust me. After about 4 hours or overnight, you can use this. Then the flavor and everything marinate in it. All right, my peeps. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye, guys.